Once upon a time, in a certain mythical country, its generous and fair leader suggested to his citizens that they should voluntarily help their motherland. The citizens will manufacture flags in their spare time. Each flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes. However, the rest of the evil world united against this righteous country, and the citizens can thus use only the locally produced colors: white, red, yellow, and blue. For example, they can create a flag that consists of white, blue, and red stripes. To ensure that the citizens cannot form subgroups of equal size with dissenting opinions, the Prime Minister splits them into groups of 17. Each citizen must create one flag, and each group must produce a set of distinct flags. The groups that fail to meet this requirement will be, to put it gently, punished. There is one caveat though. The fair leader of this country detests the white red white and white blue white flags. He also wishes to forbid blue and yellow stripes to be next to each other in any combination. Law enforcement is charged with the task of monitoring the compliance with the just and reasonable rules set forth by their beloved leader. Unfortunately, the law enforcement bosses aren't very bright. They find it difficult to remember the exact white red white and white blue white forbidden combinations. And to make their worthy jobs easier, they've decided to ban any repetition of colors in a flag. So, a flag must contain stripes of 3 different colors. The citizens, beaming with joy and patriotism, eagerly begin working on the new assignment. Let's help them construct all possible flags. We must use exactly 3 colors out of 4 for each flag. Let's start with the flags that do not use the white color. First, we construct the flags with the red stripe on top. Then, the flags with the yellow stripe on top, and then, the flags with the blue stripe on top. Next, let's exclude the red color. We construct the flags with the white stripe on top, then, the flags with the yellow stripe on top, and then, the flags with the blue stripe on top. Now, let's exclude the yellow color. We construct the flags with the white stripe on top, then, the flags with the red stripe on top, and then, the flags with the blue stripe on top. Finally, let's exclude the blue color. We construct the flags with the white stripe on top, then, the flags with the red stripe on top, and then, the flags with the yellow stripe on top. We obtained a total of 24 distinct flags. But the most vigilant citizens enthusiastically recall that the yellow and blue stripes cannot be next to each other. This leaves only 16 legal flags, one short of the mandated norm. It follows that it is impossible to satisfy the demands of the leader of this country, and the citizens will be inevitably punished. We have solved the combinatorial problem. But one open problem still remains. Will the citizens of this mythical country bend over and take it up the tailpipe, or will they do something about it? But this problem is beyond the scope of this video.